Okay, the question is remove all adjacent duplicate in a string. So they have given a string. So suppose string, we have to remove all this adjacent element and we have to repeatedly make a duplicate removal until we no longer can. So what that exactly mean, I'll explain now. So this is the string they have given. So we have to keep on repeat, like we have to keep on removing it. First I'll remove this bb, then again if I remove this bb, again this a c will be removed. Then again I'll remove that, then only c is remained. So if I add anything like a here, now the remaining answer will be c and a. I'll just show how this works using a stack. So now I'll take an empty stack. First my stack is empty, so directly this is my index 0 1 2 3 like that. Okay, first directly I'll put a, then my pointer I is here at b. Now I'll compare if my b and the element which is at the top of a stack is equal or not. So that is not equal, so I can easily push the element into my stack. Now my I will be pointing to here. Again I compare this b, if that is equal to the element which is at the top of my stack. Yes, that is equal. I'll not add this element. What I'll do is I'll pop it out. I'll pop the element from the stack. Now a is my element at the top of the stack. Again I'll increment my I. So now my I is pointing to here. Again it's a, even in my top of the stack containing a. So I'll just pop it out. My stack is empty. Again I'll now my I is pointing to the c. So stack is empty. Easily I can push the element to the stack. Now my I is pointing to here a. Again I'll compare my top of the element in the stack. If that is equal to a, no it's not equal. So easily I can add the element to a. Now again what I'll do is I'll remove all the elements. So my elements will be now c and a. So this is the answer for this case. So yeah, even they have given the same. That is the answer. So now we'll code it out. So what exactly we need is we need a stack type character. Let me give the name st. Now for each and every element, each and every character, I'll iterate in the string, in the given string. First I'll check if uh, if my stack is not empty. So there's at least an element in my stack. Then if the stack element is not empty, then I'll compare if my stack dot top, if by any chance that is equal to the character which I'm present, then I'll pop the element from my stack. Yeah, it's st dot pop. Instead, else what I'll do is I'll just push my element to the stack. That means that the top of the element, either it is empty or the top element and the character which I am at present is not equal. At the end, what I'll do is I'll take one more result. Yeah. While my string, while my stack is not empty, I'll just take all the elements at last, which elements are present. I'll just add that to my the resultant string. As it's a stack, the answer will be stored in the reverse order. So I have to reverse it. So st dot begin, result dot end. Okay. So this is it. Now I'll return my reverse the answer, which now it is 6 and 8. Let me check. Yeah, it accepted. What this logic have done here is, yeah, the remaining element was a and c, right? So first my result was empty, then I'll add a to it, then I'll add c to it. Now you see the required answer is c and a, but I've got a and c, so I have to reverse the whole string. So I've just reversed it. So that was it. Yeah. Okay, it got submitted.